All right, are we going to recap the most requested chicks of the week?
Let's do it.
Okay, there is 6 chicks. The most requested chicks of the week are Roxanne, Nugget, Tula is my personal favorite, but I'm the only one who cares. So tell us if you want more Tula. And the third is Fern. So Nugget, Roxanne, and Fern. Tula is our honorable mention and refuses to stay out of the spotlight. I don't know what to call her. I kind of think, I think she's kind of pretty. Oh, goodness. But maybe people don't. I don't know. Maybe people like the Brahmas. Fern's markings so far are really nice. And she's just kind of chill, but she still has a little personality.
You are so bold.
That's Tula.
Nugget not to be outdone.
No, that's Roxanne.
Okay.
Some people could tell the difference.